show you how to link a Google Maps address directdirectly into a Google Docs. So basically what you have to do here, actually let me just delete this. So we are saying here that there is an address where everybody needs to meet, and instead of just writing the address, we're going to link to Google Maps, to the Google Maps address. So what we have to do, we go to Google Maps, and here, let's say I want to meet at Macy's New York. So I came here to the bar and I searched for Macy's New York. So I've actually clicked on it, and what I need to do is to copy the address here from the address bar. So selected it, I'm going to click Ctrl+C. I come back to my document, Ctrl+V to paste, and after I paste, you see the directions are already showing here. You press Tab to replace it with the link. So I just press Tab, and there you go. It's turned into the link. And what happens is, once I share this document, people can come here and click on it directly to see exactly where we need to meet.